Did you know that 2 simple kitchen ingredients could be the key to boosting your immunity, reducing inflammation, and even preventing chronic diseases? For centuries, ginger and garlic have been used as powerful natural medicines, and modern science is now proving what ancient civilizations knew all along. But the real question is, are you using them the right way to unlock their full health benefits? Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to break down the science behind these superfoods and reveal the best ways to consume them for maximum impact on your health. Welcome to the Alpha Health, your go-to channel for fitness, nutrition, and wellness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert health tips. 1. The incredible benefits of ginger. Let's start with ginger, the golden root that has been used in traditional medicine for over 5,000 years. Boosts digestion and reduces bloating. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that improves digestion by stimulating saliva and gastric enzymes. This helps food pass smoothly through your gut, reducing bloating and discomfort. It's especially effective for those suffering from acid reflux, nausea, or indigestion. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger fights inflammation, a key factor in chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Its bioactive compounds reduce pain, stiffness, and swelling in joints and muscles. Studies confirm that ginger can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory medications in relieving pain naturally. Natural remedy for nausea and motion sickness. Suffering from nausea or dizziness. Ginger is a scientifically proven natural remedy for motion sickness and morning sickness. Studies show that consuming just 1 gram of ginger significantly reduces nausea, especially in pregnant women and chemotherapy patients. Strengthens immunity and fights infections. Ginger has powerful antimicrobial and antiviral properties that strengthen your immune system. Regular consumption can help fight off colds, flu, and respiratory infections while reducing inflammation in the body, making it an excellent natural defense against illnesses. Boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. Trying to lose weight, ginger enhances thermogenesis, meaning it helps your body burn more calories. Research indicates that daily ginger intake reduces belly fat, improves digestion, and speeds up metabolism, making weight loss easier and more sustainable. 10 science-backed benefits of garlic. Now let's talk about garlic, often called nature's antibiotic, due to its incredible healing properties. 1. Improves heart health. Garlic helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Studies show that regular garlic consumption supports better heart function and prevents plaque buildup in arteries. 2. Reduces high blood pressure. Garlic acts as a natural vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax and improve circulation. Studies indicate that consuming 4 cloves of garlic daily can significantly lower high blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes over time. 3. Boosts immunity and fights infections. Garlic contains allicin, a potent compound known for its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It strengthens your immune system, helping prevent and fight common illnesses like colds, flu, and even bacterial infections. 4. Detoxifies the body. Garlic helps detoxify the body by eliminating toxins, heavy metals, and harmful bacteria. Studies show that its sulfur compounds enhance liver function and promote better detoxification, improving overall health and well-being. 5. Supports brain health. Garlic's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. It enhances cognitive function, reduces oxidative stress, and supports long-term brain health. 6. Improves digestion. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, promoting gut health and reducing bloating. It helps prevent common digestive issues like constipation and supports the growth of good gut bacteria, improving digestion naturally. 7. Helps regulate blood sugar. Studies suggest that garlic can improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for managing diabetes and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Regular consumption helps control glucose metabolism, reducing the risk of sugar spikes. 8 boosts athletic performance. Ancient Olympians consumed garlic for increased endurance and stamina. Modern research confirms that garlic helps reduce exercise fatigue, improve circulation, and enhance overall physical performance, making it a great addition to an active lifestyle. 9. Enhances skin and hair health. Garlic's antimicrobial properties help treat acne, skin infections, and hair loss. Applying garlic-infused oil to the scalp can improve hair growth and strengthen follicles, preventing hair thinning over time. May have anti-cancer properties. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal and stomach cancer. Studies suggest its antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, preventing cell damage. How and when to consume ginger and garlic for maximum benefits. Now that we know how powerful these superfoods are, let's talk about the best ways to consume them. Raw versus cooked. Raw garlic has the highest levels of allicin, but crushing it and letting it sit for 10 minutes before eating enhances its potency. Ginger can be consumed raw, in tea or cooked, but raw ginger preserves the most nutrients. Morning versus night. Eating raw garlic on an empty stomach in the morning helps boost immunity and detoxification. Drinking ginger tea before bed promotes digestion, reduces bloating, and improves sleep quality. Supercharged Ginger Garlic Health Tonic. Try this powerful morning tonic for maximum benefits. 1 inch of fresh ginger, grated. 2 cloves of raw garlic, crushed. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 cup of warm water. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Mix and drink first thing in the morning to boost metabolism, immunity, and digestion naturally. Call to action. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Alpha Health for more expert tips on nutrition, fitness, and wellness. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you already use ginger and garlic in your daily routine? What's your favorite way to consume them? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep taking care of your body.